Aboitiz Construction is known for over 40 years of construction, fabrication, and engineering and project management services. None of this would be possible without the strong bonds they have formed with their clients and suppliers. Maintaining these bonds, they held their second Aboitiz Construction Vendors Night last September 7, 2018.
The event tonight is our second Vendors Night for Aboitiz Construction. We've invited most of our major suppliers and vendors, and this is an opportunity for the senior management of the company to meet them and be familiar with them. We would like to do a similar vendors night in Manila and another one in Davao. The Ciudad should be Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Because as we are expanding, the projects are actually in Luzon and in Mindanao. We have less in the Visayas. Last year we had a limited number of suppliers. Projects were not as many as this year, and also we've expanded our supplier base. Now we have suppliers now from overseas, suppliers from Manila, suppliers that were not there in the previous years. So it's really growing the supplier base.
With their continuous growth and uncompromised quality service, Aboitiz Construction is bound to stay strong and grow even bigger. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.